Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and today I am going to tell you very interesting facts about a particular planet where we live in. So today I am going to tell you about 10 interesting facts which found to be pretty good for me about planet Earth. So let me get into the topic right away. So the first interesting fact which I like to say is the Earth is a radioactive. So many might have not known that Earth is a radioactive, but it is indeed a radioactive. It produces 40 terawatts of radiation approximately per year, half of which is from radioactive decay. The second interesting fact which I found out is the temperature of the core of Earth is similar to that of the temperature of the Sun. Yes, you heard me right. The temperature of the core of our Earth is same as the Sun. So it produces almost 5800 Kelvin. The third important fact is that earthquake weather is a myth. So many of you might know what is an earthquake, but some believe that the earthquake is caused by a weather changes, whereas that not the case. Why? Because basically the earthquake occurs when the tectonic plate shifts. But some believe that this earthquake is due to some weather changes like rainfall. So I like to say that earthquake weather is a myth. The fourth interesting topic is that the sea level might rise dramatically by 2100. It is because you all know the global warming effect. So every year there will be a rise in temperature, and due to the rise in temperature, the ice melts into the water. So what will happen is gradually by 2100 the water level in the sea will be increased. The fifth interesting topic is nothing but clouds helps us to regulate weather. So many of you might not know that cloud regulates weather, including me. So when I have searched in the internet, what it says is that the water content in the cloud makes it warmer than the non-cloudy day. So if you take on a cloudy day, it will be more chill compared to the non-cloudy day. So that's the reason why you might feel the chillness during a cloudy day compared to the non-cloudy day. So this is the fifth interesting topic which I like to see. The sixth interesting topic is nothing but our planet's age is 10,000 times older compared to the human's age. So you all know that the earth was created 4.5 billion years ago, whereas Homo sapiens was created just 4,50,000 years ago. So it is nothing but 1 by 10,000 age of the planet. So this is a pretty interesting fact for me. So our planet's age is 10,000 times higher compared to the human age. So this is the sixth interesting topic. The seventh interesting topic is we don't know who named the planet Earth. So you all know this planet was formed 4.5 million years ago, and we all know somebody might have kept this planet as Earth. So we actually don't know who coined the term Earth. There is not even a recorded history about it. So the seventh interesting fact is the Earth is a heat engine. So you may wonder how. So as you all know, the sun is producing the heat, and what will happen is at lower altitude the earth will absorb the heat at lower altitude, whereas at higher altitude the heat will be produced as a radiant, which makes it cooler at high altitude. If anyone has traveled in flight, and if anyone had seen an entertainment system in maps, it will clearly tell that at approximately 36,000 or 40,000 feet, the temperature will be indicated in terms of minus value. It is because it is flying at a higher altitude, and the heat at that altitude will be produced as the radiant. So here our Earth is a heat engine. The ninth interesting fact is nothing but Route 66. So here the Route 66 is longer in distance compared to distance to the core. So it is actually the distance to the core is 3,000 kilometers in depth. But when you compare it to Route 66, the distance is more. The last interesting topic is the last interesting fact is nothing but a magnitude of 12 earthquakes would split the earth into half. So if you see here, the maximum recorded magnitude is 9.5. So for that itself, the damage will be more in that specific country. So if you take the magnitude 12 or magnitude 13, the damage will be to the whole world. But we needn't worry, because that would never happen in our planet Earth, as we don't have enough tectonic plate to cause it. So these are the 10 interesting topics or 10 interesting facts about Earth which I like to say. So please comment which fact is very interesting for you also. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and tell me on what video I should make next. Thank you.